The Kilgone Robot Vacuum KM-2300 is a versatile cleaning tool that combines both vacuuming and mopping capabilities, making it perfect for tackling dust and spills in large homes. With smart app and voice control, you can easily manage cleaning schedules and settings from your smartphone or through Alexa, offering a convenient and hands-free experience. Designed with pet owners in mind, this robot vacuum boasts powerful brushless suction which prevents hair tangles, ensuring a smooth and efficient cleaning process. The device features a long battery life, allowing it to clean for up to 120 minutes and automatically return to its docking station when needed. Its ultra-thin design, standing at only 2.87 inches, allows the vacuum to easily navigate under furniture, while smart sensors and multiple cleaning modes ensure thorough obstacle avoidance. The Kilgone Robot Vacuum KM-2300 is an ideal solution for those seeking a reliable and intelligent cleaning companion capable of handling various floor types and household challenges.